So here we need to determine that there are 4 points A, B, C, and D. These points form the vertices of a rectangle. So let us begin by first considering a parallelogram. So here we have the parallelogram A, B, C, and D. Now this particular parallelogram has the vertex A given by 2, -2. So B is 14, 10. Then we have C, which is 11, 13. And then D is -1, +1. So what we'll do, we'll begin by first finding out the length of each of the sides. To do that, all we have to do is use the distance formula. Here we have 2 points, point A and point B, and the coordinates of the endpoints are given. If we join them by a straight line, then the distance between them will be simply given by the square root. Underneath the square root, first we take the square of the difference of the x coordinate and add it to the square of the difference of the y coordinate. So let's begin with AB. So AB we'll take the square root. So we'll take the difference of the x coordinate. So let's do 14 minus 2. So 14 minus 2 squared, and this will be added to square of the difference of the y coordinate. So we have 10 minus 2, so that's going to be 10 plus 2 squared. So let's find out the value. So this is going to be equals to square root of, so we have 12 squared plus 12 squared. So that's simply going to be 12 times square root of 2. Next, we'll find out the value of length BC. So BC will be square root. So here we'll have to take the difference of the x coordinate. So let's do 11 minus 14. So that's going to be -3 squared. Added to 13 minus 10. So that's +3 squared. So this is going to be 3 times square root of 2. Then we'll find out the value of CD. CD is going to be equals to square root of, so we do -1 minus 11. So that's going to be -12 squared. Added to 1 minus 13, so that's -12 squared. So this is going to be 12 times square root of 2. And then finally we find out the value of dA. So dA is going to be square root of, so we have 2 minus 1, so that's 3 squared. Added to -2 minus 1, so that's -3 squared. And this is going to be 3 times square root of 2. Now clearly we see here that the length of AB, which came out to be 12 times square root of 2, that's equals to CD. And then we have CB, so that's equals to the length AD. And that means the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So that means it is a rectangle, hence proved.